The Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, mild temperatures staying with us for another 24 hours, then a drastic change as we head into Sunday as the switch goes from early spring back to winter, at least temperature-wise, but we're not going to see any winter weather, so don't get too excited for that. It's not going to be that cold either. It's just going to get closer to normal, which we have not seen for the last several weeks. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. Pretty healthy storm system in the high plains, the upper northwest, with blizzard warnings in effect from the Dakotas on northward into portions of Minnesota, also northwestern Iowa as well. Snow moving through Chi-Town, and then a wintry mix St. Louis. Then on southward, it's just plain old scattered shower activity. And that's all ahead of our frontal boundary that looks to get here in roughly about 24 hours. Meanwhile, mostly cloudy skies dominating. Today, we did see a few breaks in the clouds. Got up to 72 for a high as expected. And tonight is going to be milder with maybe a few passing showers developing. We got rain chance going up to about 30-40% more, maybe a little bit higher, primarily after midnight. We stopped it right here at 3 o'clock in the morning. You notice temperatures in the mid-60s, and they may rise a little bit more as we get closer to daybreak. Now, tomorrow, not a washout. I got 60% for the rain chances for the entire day, but it's likely going to come as we head into tomorrow evening. So mostly cloudy and mild day. Temperatures getting into the mid-70s tomorrow afternoon. Here comes the front with scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder along this frontal boundary. No severe weather nor heavy rainfall expected. That front reaches the area as we head into tomorrow evening, with scattered showers lasting behind the system maybe up until about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. Clouds maybe first thing Sunday morning. It will be breezy and much cooler, and then sunshine for the afternoon, with temperatures hard pressed to get into the low to mid 50s. And there's going to be a chill factor going into this weekend as well. More on that in just a bit. So here we pick it up on the longer range European model here, and it's going to be chilly for us for several days. So we're going to be locked in with temperatures, highs mostly in the 50s, lows in the 30s. And then as we head toward the mid and latter part of the week, changes on the way. Clouds will be on the increase Wednesday. And then our next weather maker, depending on the model you look at, could bring a pretty good soaking, maybe some strong storms. Can't even rule out a severe weather threat late Thursday, mainly Thursday night, ending early Friday. This is the European model. GFS model is a little bit wetter and stormier, so something that we'll have to watch down the line. Following weekend, not looking too bad. Near term, the other issue we might have is some fog moving in from the Gulf of Mexico, some sea fog, and the ceilings lowering as temperatures and dew points will be on the way up. Essentially, we'll have a little bit of a warm front trying to push on through tomorrow morning, so don't be surprised if we have fog in the mix as well. Mid-60s the morning start tomorrow, and then tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 70s for your high. And then here comes the cool air moving in tomorrow night through Sunday morning. Temperatures dropping down into the upper 30s to lower 40s. It will be in the 40s mostly, but those wind chills will be in the mid to upper 30s, so that'll be a big change. And as mentioned, we'll stay breezy and cool with highs only in the lower 50s. Wind chills most of the day Sunday in the 40s in spite of that afternoon sunshine. So back to jackets and sweaters as we move ahead. In the near term, this is your 24-hour forecast. Rain chances 20 to 30, maybe up to 40% during the day tomorrow, but a workable day. And you may need to cut the grass. It's been greening up, so a good day to do that. And then as we head into tomorrow evening, rain chances ramping up with that frontal boundary. Much cooler as we head into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Overnight lows in the 30s, and it looks like we're still on track for a frost or very light freeze as we head into Monday night, Tuesday morning. So that'll be, might have 2 nights where we have to cover the plants, but that is what we're supposed to do in the wintertime. Normal temperatures for January to finish out that 10-day forecast with highs in the 50s and 60s and lows mostly in the 40s.
And who knows what's in store for February at this point?
Who knows at this point? It could be
grabs.
a stormier pattern later this month. February, I've had mixed signals. Warmer than normal, then cooler than normal to start out. We'll see how it plays out.
Very good. Thanks, Rob. Still